Nanbabo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video guys, nakikita nyo ba yung background ko? So the entire water pool complex na to, I'm gonna give you a tour dahil nandito po tayo ngayon sa JJ Tan Resort sa may Arayat, Pampanga. Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo po ako. Let's go! Simulan natin ang ating vlog dito sa may unahan. So actually that was the gate, and dito po sa JJ Tan we have multiple pools, we also have multiple villas at saka mga cottages. Meron tayong section for the private, no, if you want secluded, kayo lang po yung nandoon. Meron po sila dito. Itong section naman to where we are right now, cottages naman yung mga pwede mong arkilahin. So we have different sizes, of course, depende sa number of packs that you are gonna need dun sa mga cottages na yon. Depende rin yung ibibigay nila sa inyo or yung i-avail ninyo. So if you want bigger one, smaller one, so pwede po yan. So while we are here, siguro umpisahan natin dito, pasukan natin itong section na to. This is pool number 1. So notice yung pool natin dito, size niya is actually large para sa akin. Yun ay dahil nga ang pool na to is communal or shared sa mga guests na pupunta dito. Napaka nature feels, daming halaman. Actually mga vines pa nila dito ay mga ubas. And dito sa likod ko, notice guys, meron tayong water slides. So sa mga gagamit nito, of course, parental consent is necessary. Now in terms of mga cottages naman na available dito, so meron tayo dito, ayan. So for me guys, I think no, siguro 6 to 8 people yun yung pwedeng accommodate ng mga cottages natin dito. Ito yung example nun. So going to the next section, ito naman yun. So this section naman doesn't have any pool, however yung mga cottages natin dito are bigger. Siguro this can accommodate 15 to 16 people. Actually, yung dun sa dulo doon, medyo mas malaki po yung capacity niya. Now, I think amenity na mas mag-enjoy kayo dito is this area. Itong lugar na to. So, notice guys, meron tayong mga outdoor seats you can actually use for photo taking, selfies, Instagram, and a lot more. So, yeah, this is the second section. Depende sa inyo guys kung gusto nyo mas malapit dun sa pool or this area. Hindi masyadong maingay sa mga nagsuswimming, hey, it's up to you. Kagandahan dito para sa akin, no, parang interconnected yung mga sections natin dito, parang nagme-maze, no, parang puzzled yung mga dadaanan mo and everything. Now after nung second section natin, you're gonna arrive to this place. Ito naman yung kanilang mga room type accommodations. I think they have 2 different kinds or 3 different kinds of rooms or prices. Dito sa pinakababa natin is actually a function hall, so it can be rented. Actually use it as your stay dito, so pwede siya. I think it's just 7,000 pesos now. Yung first room natin dito is fit for couple, the rest is gonna be fit for group. This is the parang pinaka main pathway dito. Can actually accommodate yung parang small mga cars or sedans na pwedeng pumasok dito. Here, so meron tayong access dun sa dalawang pool section pa. So pasukan natin. So this pool, I believe, is very fit for kids naman. It's not too deep. Hindi rin naman ganun siya kababaw. So pwede rin mag-enjoy yung mga parents just in case nagbabantay sila ng bata dito. So lakad pa tayo guys, tignan natin yung kabilang section naman. I think there located yung private villa natin. Guys, gusto ko ring i-highlight dito yung parang pinaka-covering natin dito as a shade is yung mga grapevine. So ang ganda, no, napatubo nilang mga ganito dito sa Pampanga. This is another section dito sa JJ Tan. So notice yung mga kabana natin, they got bigger. This can accommodate siguro para sa akin guys above 20 packs, so pwede po sila dito. Dito sa section na to, located din yung isang swimming pool natin. Ito yon. Ang laki. Laki guys, para sa akin yung size nito is for adults. It is also slope yung pinaka-depth niya. Siguro starting at 4 feet up until 5 feet, para siyang ganun. So caution lang kung gusto nyo mag dip dito or mag-swim dito kasama ng mga kids. Medyo malalim. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon kung saan located yung ating yung private villa. You can actually rent this one privately overnight. So tara, pasukan natin. Alright, so yun guys, pag-usapan naman natin dito yung mga rates and yung mga prices. So ang entrance fee natin dito guys, during daytime, 120 for adults, 100 naman for kids. Now for night swimming, that is 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. naman. Sa mga adults is 150, kids is 120 pesos. So sa mga cottages at mga cabana, as low as 600 pesos guys, makakapili na kayo ng mga natitipuhan yung mga cottages and mga cabanas. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, meron silang mga overnight amenities dito. Now yung room natin is as low as 3,800 pesos. That is good for 6 packs. Exceeding guests naman natin dyan is up until 2 lamang. Now, yung king's room, that is actually allowed for couples or 2 people lang yung pwedeng magstay doon. As low as 2,800 pesos naman. For those of you who are interested for a private stay, so meron tayong private rent dito, yung attic house that you can actually rent from 2 p.m. to 12 p.m. the following day. Ang price natin dyan is starting at 12,000 pesos, 15 to 20 packs. Now, if you are on a bigger group, around 26 to 30 packs, 18,000 pesos lamang yan. Now, ang mga amenities natin dito, we have kiddie pool, we have apat na double-sized bed, you have a veranda, a centralized air conditioning, meron tayong gas stove for you to cook, meron din tayong refrigerator, and of course, video okay. Na lastly, yung function hall natin, meron tayong dalawang option para sa inyo. If you want daytime, 7,000 pesos lamang yan, good for 20 packs. And for night swimming naman, 9,000 pesos lamang yan, of course, good for 20 packs.